Ready to skyrocket your WHOP sales by offering the flexible payment options your customers crave? Let's dive into adding Klarna. First, log into your WHOP dashboard and navigate to the settings menu. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or a gear-shaped icon in the top right or left corner of the screen. Within the settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Integrations or Payment Methods. Click on this section to view available payment gateways. You should see a list of available payment options. Locate Klarna within this list. If you don't see it, you might need to contact WHOP support to request the integration. Click on the Klarna option. This will likely redirect you to Klarna's website or prompt you to enter your Klarna API keys. These keys are essential for connecting your WHOP account to your Klarna account. To obtain your Klarna API keys, log into your Klarna developer account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one on the Klarna developer portal. Once logged in, find the section related to API credentials or developer settings. Copy both the publishable and secret keys. Return to your WHOP payment settings page and paste the copied API keys into the corresponding fields. Be extremely careful to ensure accuracy. Incorrect keys will prevent the integration from working. Now, configure your Klarna settings. This may involve setting the available payment options, such as pay in full or monthly financing. Adjust these settings to align with your business needs and target audience. Double-check that Klarna is visible on your product pages. Customers should see the Klarna option during the checkout process. Test the integration by making a small purchase yourself or asking a friend to do so. After the test purchase, verify that the transaction is processed correctly in both your WHOP and Klarna accounts. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully integrated Klarna.